In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question each and part using the TI-84 plus NP calculator. Alright, so the question says the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is F equals 5 over 9 C plus 32, where F is degrees Fahrenheit and C is degrees Celsius. What Fahrenheit temperature is equivalent to 63 degrees Celsius? Guys, this question is one of the simplest questions I have seen for ACT. So you don't actually need to store a value to solve this question or to reset the calculator. All you simply have to do is to plug in this 63 degree here in this variable C we have, and you'll be good to go and simplify the expression. So let's start with the calculator now. To do this, let's express it on this calculator. So it's in fraction. You press alpha and window button. So press this button for fraction, press 1. Alright, so we have 5 over 9. Alright, then the C is 63 degrees. That means times 63. Okay, then we have plus 32, and that's all. You will now get the equivalent of the Fahrenheit as 63 degrees. So let's press enter to see the equivalent. 67 degrees. Alright, so 67 degrees is the equivalent of Fahrenheit temperature at 63 degrees Celsius. Is as simple as this, guys. This is basically you can solve this question using the TI-84 plus NP calculator. Alright, so hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of my videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what you learned from this video.